Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chawanne Burns. Please click that like button and that subscribe button. In today's video, I am going to give you some steps that you need to take to establish your business credit with having your bad credit. I remember when I started my business and I didn't know what I was doing. I was going off the whim, all willy-nilly, and I just was trying everything on establishing a business credit. But I'm going to give you the steps that I took minus my mistakes, okay? It's 5 easy steps. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you 3 lenders that you could go to today and get a line of credit with your bad personal credit, okay? So the first thing you need to take, or the first step you need to take, is to establish your business with your local state. That means registering your business. Usually registering your business, you could do that in less than a day, depending on your state. Sometimes it might take a couple of days, but it's very inexpensive. I've seen some states charge $25, with other states charge up to $100 and something. But it's very easy to do. All you need to do is go to your local state web address and type in your name of your business and search to see if that name is taken. If the name is not taken, you need to categorize or form your organization, whether it be a LLC, S corporation, C corporation, or sole proprietorship. Now, I am not an accountant, so please talk with a tax accountant to see which will be the best formation for you. Okay, so the second step, once you establish yourself with your local state, you need to go to the EIN, irs.gov, and request an EIN number. This is totally for free. I've seen many of websites offering to establish your EIN or form a corporation for you and charging people exuberant amount. This step is for free. I do have a video walking through how you could set up an EIN number. Check that video out. I will link it in the description section. The third step you need to do to establish your business and to establish your credit is to form a website and an email address with that domain name, which should be your business name. And your fourth step is your phone number, okay? A business phone number. And the very last step, you're gonna need all steps 1 through 4 to go to open up a business checking account. I would suggest go to a smaller bank. Usually smaller banks have dedicated amount of money to small business owners, and they're willing and able to loan you or extend you a line of credit to your business. And you are a new business owner. So I wouldn't suggest Chase Bank or Bank of America, but I would look into like BB&T, a credit union, or PNC type bank. Now, once you open up your checking account, they're going to ask you for your state registration and your EIN number. And of course, your address and your web address and all that good stuff, your business contact information. And then they will extend you a line of credit. If they extend you a line of credit, take that offer. A line of credit is basically a charge card, a revolving charge card that you could use for your business. So that is steps 1 through 5. Easy to do for you to establish your business with bad credit. Now, for our bonus round, I have 3 lenders that you could go to today to ask for a line of credit. So once you have established your checking account and you're bringing in payments and all that good stuff, cash receipts, there are 3 lenders that will lend to you with bad credit. And they're lending based off the incoming cash that you have coming in your business account. The first lender is PayPal. PayPal is a worldwide organization. They lend to businesses, particularly small businesses. They have a flexible line of credit, and they are willing and able, and they love to lend to small businesses. Okay, so PayPal is the first one. The second lender is Cabbage. I remember when I first started my business, I didn't have any cash. I did have some cash receipts, but not a lot. But I used Cabbage. All I did was link my checking account, my business checking account, to Cabbage website, and they extended a revolving line of credit to my business. And the max amount that I was able to obtain was $6,000. So depending on your cash receipts, depending on what a line of credit extend to you. Okay, and the very last one is Square Up. If you take charge cards and you use Square Up is a good lender, or a really good lender for small businesses that are new and that maybe you have bad personal credit. And so they will lend based off how many cash receipts that you have received throughout the month. They take an average and they'll extend a line of credit to you and your business. So those three lenders, number one, they report on your business credit. And then number two, you are really establishing yourself as a business owner. And you don't have to be 2 years of experience. You could be 3 to 6 months into business. Okay, so that was our video. Hopefully you are able to take this information and put it in action. Please leave in the comment section your questions for me. So I am sending all my good to you. I will talk to you soon.